Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about farm animals, or in other words domestic animals. What are farm animals? These are animals kept at home. They are also called domestic animals. And the first one that we have is a cow. Cow. Duck. 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 Hen. 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 Dog. 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 Cat. 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 Goose. 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 Goat. 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 Horse. 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 Rabbit. 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 Camel. 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 Turkey. 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 Pig. 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 Sheep. 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 Donkey. 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 Let's remember the farm animals that we just learned and how we can be able to spell their names. Cow. How do we spell cow? K-ow. K-ow. Duck. D-uck. D-uck. Hen. H-n. H-n. Dog. D-og. D-og. Dog. Cat. 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 Goose. 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 A is silent and it is at the end of the word, so don't forget to write it. Goat. 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 Remember, goat has double sound O. O. O for boat. Goat. Goat. Horse. 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 Remember, horse has E at the end and it is silent, so don't forget to write it. Rabbit. Rabbit. R-a-b-it. R-a-b-it. Rabbit. camel, camel. L, L, camel. Turkey, turkey. E. Remember, the underlined letters are all double sounds. So we spell the word turkey as E, turkey. Pig, pig. Egg, egg, pig. Sheep, sheep. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Donkey, donkey. E. The double sound E at the end is E. E for key. So the word donkey is spelled as E. Donkey, donkey. Thank you.